Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my fried fish and grits. And if you already haven't done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, share the video if you like to, and definitely comment and let me know what you think or what you would like to see in the future. So here I have some flounder fish that are already cleaned and patted dry, of course. I got my eggs, which will be my egg wash, and then I got about 1.5 cups of cornmeal, about 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. So, and also I got my grits back here. I got my water going so I can dump those in there. I'm going to be making regular instant grits, but when this comes together, it's going to be amazing. So let's start by seasoning our fish. I'm just going to be using basic seasoning for this. I'm going to use a little black pepper. And when you're seasoning fish, guys, you want to make sure to be light with the salt, because this will absorb every flavor that you put in it very quickly, and you don't want to have salty fish. Okay, so what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. Got some onion powder here. Make sure I get the other side. We're going to be seasoning our flour as well. You know what? Forgot my paprika. And there we have it. Okay, so garlic powder. Seasoning salt. Guys, you can use whatever, seasoning salt that you like. But this is what I'm going with. I'm keeping it basic. Don't need much of that at that point. Okay. Like I said, what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. Get these flipped over. All right. Black pepper. Onion powder. Guys, in the comment below, let me know how you prefer to eat your grits. Do you like your grits sweet, made with sugar? Or do you like it the savory way with just salt, pepper, and butter? Let me know what you guys out there like. That's always a question up for debate. Everybody eats, differently, which is fine. All right, just a little of that because I really need it more so for that. So in my egg mixture, I won't be adding any seasoning salt, but I will be adding some onion powder and a tad bit of garlic powder, and definitely a dash of pepper. Not much, because my pepper I really need into my my breading mix. Just a dash of that. And also I got my assembly line going. You want to have your meat, your wash, and your breading. And I have about a tablespoon of milk in this egg mixture. You guys don't have to do that, but I like doing it this way. You can use just egg if you'd like to. And I'm seasoning everything because I want everything to have flavor. Okay, so let's hit this black pepper. And me, I'm going to be generous with the black pepper because I love to see the specks of it inside of the, the breading when it's all fried up and looking pretty. So I'm just going to use everything that I already used on my fish. But remember, guys, to season your fish lightly because it can become salty. Just a little, not much. And just a little of that, not much. All right, so get this mixed together. I already got my oil preheating. My water almost ready for my grits. I think I need a little more black pepper. All right, we can move this. All right, so into your egg mixture, make sure you get it everywhere. Let the excess drip off. And into your batter. You want to sprinkle some more. Give that a press. Make sure it's on the other side. And this is what you want. Okay. Shake off the excess and just let it rest here until you're ready for frying. Alright guys, I'll show you one more, then I'll finish the other two and we'll get to the stove so we can start our frying process. You can see the seasoning on that. This is going to be some good fish, y'all. Make sure your fish is well coated. You don't want any bare spots. So whatever bare spots you see, just put some of your mixture on, give it a press, and it should stick. All right. So this looks nice to me. Beautiful, right? Okay guys, so I'm gonna do these last two and we're gonna head over to the stove. All right guys, I got my water going for my grits. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to that. Not much, but just some. You can always revisit it later and add some more. So I'm gonna let that come to a boil. Now we're gonna start with frying our fish. All right, let's drop that fish, y'all. Ooh-wee. Just gonna be doing two at a time. All right, so when that's golden brown on one side and ready to flip, I'll be right back. All right, so when that's golden brown on one side, ready to flip, I'll be right back. But for now, let's check on our grits. All right, so I just added the grits. I'm about to put them on a simmer flame. I just added the grits, so now I'm just gonna lower the flame and let them cook for about 10 minutes. Guys, these are quick grits. That's what I'm using today. I'm gonna reduce this flame now. So let's go back to our fish. All right guys, I think it's about time to flip that fish. Whoa, look how golden brown that is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We'll flip this one. All right now, all right now. So I'm gonna let these two pieces finish cooking, then I'll add the other two. Let's check on our grits, because you know they don't take long. All right guys, so these grits should be just about done. Let's check on the thickness. Beautiful, perfect. I'm gonna add some butter, a little salt, just a little, not much. A little black pepper for me. Alright, so I'm gonna let these go for another 2 minutes and then turn them off. Alright guys, so our first 2 pieces are done. Taking these out. Beautiful, beautiful. Placing them on a cooling rack. I'm not gonna put them on any paper towel because I want it to keep its crispiness. See that? That's what we want to hold on to. See that? Alright, let's get these last 2 pieces in there. It'll be time for plating. Guys, if you haven't already, please go ahead and like and share this video, and definitely subscribe to this channel so that we can continue to cook together. That will be greatly appreciated. So I'm gonna let these 2 pieces cook. Then we'll come back when it's time to plate up. Alright y'all, our fish is done. Let's take them out. These pieces have been beautifully fried. Nice crispy and golden brown. See that? Beautiful, right? So I'm gonna let these drain off on this rack with the other 2. And here are our grits. Give you a quick peek at those. Nice and creamy. Nice and hot. Let's go, y'all. Let's plate up. All right, guys. So let's get these fish and grits plated up. Got my grits. We're gonna go down with those first, of course. Right in the middle. Of course, we got to bring our fish, the star of the show. There you go. Those grits came out perfect. I put just enough butter, salt, and pepper in them. Let me give you guys a close-up. So I'm gonna hit it with a little freshly chopped parsley just to give it some pop. Not much, just a little bit. All right, guys, and there you have it. Fish and grits made by Mr. NJS.
Really take this feeling, I see you.